In this video, let's look at a different type of log equation. Log base minus 3 of 625 equals to 4. Notice that in this equation, the variable x is in the base of this equation rather than in the arguments. This isn't as common as when x is in the arguments, but it's still important to know how to solve these equations. To find out the x, what we'll need to do is to convert this log equation into the equivalent exponential form. Remember, a log equation essentially tells us what power do we need, which is the power is 4. Okay, what power do we need to raise a base, which is x minus 3 here, in order to get a certain number, which is 625 here. Or we call this 625 argument. Okay, to convert this log expression to the exponential form, we just need to rearrange these pieces. The exponential form actually shows after raising a base to a power, we'll get that number or the argument. So here we have a base x minus 3 to the power of 4, we get the number 625. Now you see we've converted the log expression to the exponential equation to solve. There are a couple of ways to solve this exponential equation. One way is, you see we have power of 4 on the left side of this equation. What we can do is, we can try and express 625 as a number raised to the power of 4. Okay, this number is actually 5. Then on both sides, the base are raised to the power of 4. Then we know that the base must equal to each other. So we have x minus 3 equals to 5. Then we can get x equals to 8. Another way of finding out the x is we can raise both sides of the equation to the power of 1 over 4. We raise the power of the left side to the power of 1 over 4, and we raise the right side of this equation to the power of 1 over 4. Why to raise both sides of the equation to the power of 1 over 4? The reason is, if we apply the exponent law on the left side of this equation, the exponents multiply. 4 times 1 over 4 is 1. So basically we have get rid of this exponent. Then we get x minus 3. On the right side, 625 to the power of 1 over 4 means we are looking for the fourth root of 625. So if you have a calculator, you can check that the fourth root of 625 is actually 5. Then eventually we have x equals to 8. You can use either way and eventually you will get the same solution, which is x equals to 8.